Alright, so first thing I would do is from my room, walk around straight into my bathroom and hop in the shower. And of course, at this point, probably lay down and put a mattress or a blanket over your head. Just like, all that fun stuff.
During a tornado, it's a good idea to go to a place with as little glass as possible, or a place with good structure, such as the bathroom.
So, there's a tornado coming from my mom's room. Go up the hall, down the stairs. And the safest place to go would be the closet under the stairs, which is full of stuff, so that doesn't really work. The only other place to go is probably the garage, and that's about it.
Oh no! Man, I better get out on the porch so I can go watch it. Oh wait, this is no good. It's not very safe. I'll sit in the bathtub. I'll be safe here.